Holding on to bitterness can imprison us spiritually and emotionally. Forgiveness does not excuse wrongdoing, but it releases us from the burden of resentment and allows God's healing to work through and within us. When we learn to forgive, we see the world as a bigger picture, as a better place. When we hold on to resentment, things become cloudy. But when we release that forgiveness, the light becomes a bit brighter. And we ought to remember that God Himself is the light, and the only true light that we need. So for us to be closer to Him, we need to let go, forgive, accept Him, so that He can shine within us. Jesus' response to Peter teaches that forgiveness is not